Hello everyone, this is Brian. I'm a home and commercial property inspector with Global Property Inspections. At GPI, your home safety is our top priority. And one of the best ways to keep your home and family safe is making sure your smoke and carbon monoxide detectors are in excellent working order. Did you know that you cut your risk in half just by having these devices installed and working properly? You're going to want to test your smoke and carbon monoxide detectors once per month and replace the batteries at least twice per year. To test your detectors, you may need a step stool or ladder, depending on how high your ceilings are. In some cases, a broom or something with a long handle may also work. But when you're first looking to test your alarms, I do recommend the step stool or ladder route, just so you can get up closer to it and check out what to look for. Once you're up there, you should see a test button on the detector. It'll say something like push to test. Go ahead and press that button and you should start hearing your alarm. Now, newer homes will likely have interconnected alarms that are hardwired and should all be going off at this point. For these types of systems, batteries are a backup. In older homes, you'll likely be looking at battery-only operated alarms that will go off one at a time. In that case, you'll just need to move between rooms and test your alarms one at a time. If all of your alarms are going off, you're going to walk through your house and make sure you hear that noise coming from every installed alarm. Remember, you'll have at least one on every floor of the home and one in every bedroom, but there could be more. Once you're satisfied that you're hearing that sound from all your alarms, go ahead and grab your step stool and press that button again and they'll turn off. Now, to change your battery, get up on your ladder or step stool again. You'll gently twist your smoke and carbon monoxide detector counterclockwise. Remove the old battery and replace it with a new one. And there you go. Again, you'll want to replace your batteries twice per year. This has been Brian with Global Property Inspections. Thanks so much for joining us today, and if you're in need of a home or commercial property inspection or just want to hear more about our services, don't hesitate to get in touch with your local inspector. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.